This is the new Samsung Galaxy Fold. So what's new with it? Well, it's available for purchase in the US, UK and other countries, if you can afford the hefty price tag of about $2,000. That's right, 2,000. Secondly, not much has changed. In terms of specs, it's the same phone. Same powerful CPU, 6 cameras, one huge folding screen and another smaller one on the front. This is a device that's meant for early adopters or just for those who want to brag about their deep pockets in front of their friends. Yes, there is such a category. A little bit of history. The Samsung Fold was initially launched in February 2019 and it was a head-turner. Top specs for a phone that was meant to be the king of flagships. There were some problems with the review units. The screen malfunctioned and the protection film on top of the display kept coming off. Or should I say was peeled off, because some people thought that was dispensable. They thought it was there just for some added protection for the first few days or weeks, and there's nothing wrong with that. I would have probably done the same. I don't like protection films on the displays. The only issue was that for a display to be able to fold, it has to be made out of plastic or some sort of polymer. Glass is out of the question. Here comes into play that extra protection layer. Since then, a lot of people thought that this device would be doomed, that it's going to be another fail in the company lineup and we should all forget about it, right? Well, no. Samsung made the right choice. They recalled all the devices, fixed the problems behind closed doors, and almost 8 months later, you can pick up the Fold from a store near you. We had the chance to play with the first version for a few hours and the first impression were completely positive. Our review unit worked just fine. The main differences between the first and the second version is the hinge. The endings have those small caps on them that would prevent dust accumulation under the display, and it's a little more sturdier. A little more effort is needed to open and close it. The protection film on the display was merely visible on the first version, and now its edges are completely hidden under the bezels. And that's a good thing. No more accidental peeling. So my conclusion is this: the Samsung Galaxy Fold remains a beast of a phone with cutting-edge technology, and it's quite expensive. But I want one. I don't need it, I want one. I'm not sure if a folding phone or dual-screen phone would help anyone do things faster on their mobile device, or it's just a pain in the ass. But I wish to hear your thoughts on it. Are there any Fold users out there? Can you share your experience with us? Even if you don't have the phone, what are the types of scenarios do you think this device would help you complete faster or better? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech videos. My name is Radu and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!